Deleting a community. So a word of warning with deleting a community: there will be threads and people that have put questions in there. You need to make sure that you're not disrupting your course or your site or your membership community for the sake of just a deletion. Information or email broadcasts should be sent out to students telling them or informing them of any deletions or changes to the courses or communities they are part of. From the admin dashboard, go to communities, and to delete a community you simply click the delete button here. It's going to ask you, are you sure? If you click OK, that community will be deleted. If you wish to cancel this, simply hit the cancel button. This is how easy it is to delete a community out of Zenler. But be careful, because you need to make sure your students are aware of what you're doing, as it could be very disruptive to your site or your course or memberships within the platform.